Hi everybody, and welcome in this video, which will be a second part of this one. So as I have said that there might be a second part, so here it is, but sorry I didn't manage to do that with the laptop. So the laptop was recorded by the shop which brings it to me. That was done quickly, but as I said in this video, this one here, the issue was also with the Bios region, which has to be repaired. So what I have done is just I have downloaded the official Bios update, the last one from Asus support, and replace the BIOS region of that one in the dump within the new one downloaded from Asus support. But I have decided to do this video anyway, even if we still don't have the laptop, but we can do a video about how to repair the BIOS region, or to replace the BIOS region of this one. And as there was a trick while I am doing that, I've encountered a trick which I'd like to share with you. It was when I have used this number, which is the model we got on the bottom case of the laptop, in which I searched using this number. The result, I got two results, if I still remember. Let's do that together so that we don't waste a lot of time. I don't want this video to be as long as the first one. So I was saying that when I got to Asus support, and we go to driver and manuals here, and here we normally type our model, which is, as you can see here, this one. Let's just copy it from here and let's paste that here. So as you can see here, we got two options, R516UX and sorry, I pronounce it as in French. So we got two options, R516UX and R516UB, which is in fact confusing. And we only got, on the bottom case of the laptop, we only got R516U. So if you were in my place, you will be confused and you won't know which one to use. So what I have done, in fact, is that I just go to the dump, which is here. I still have the folder containing the dump, as you can see here. So the folder is Asus R516U, and we still have the two files which we have saved in the previous repair. And the two files in fact are just to be sure that we have saved the dump correctly. So if we open these files, these two files, and we do an analysis and data compare, we got that they are identical. So it doesn't matter which one we open in this case. So as I got two options here, and I was confused which one to use, so I decided to go to the dump. So the idea is that I have to check the right model using the dump. So I opened the dump, and I just go to search, find, and I typed here Asus like this, and select here all and do a search. So we have to click on F3 in our keyboard until we find something that looks like the model of our laptop. So second result, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh result, eighth, ninth, tenth, next one, and here we got this. It's K501UW. So I copied it and decided to use it as my keyword. So let's paste here. Sorry, you don't see that. So I have, as I said, I have copied that number and pasted it here in place of the model name in the Asus support, and here I got only one result, which we choose, and here we have, as you can see here, what we exactly have on the dump. So go back to Asus support. So as now we have the right keyword to use, and we got one result, we go to driver and utility, and here we go to BIOS and firmware, and here we have the file. Let's just download it and put it in our file, in our folder, sorry, Asus R516U. So let's save it, let's open the folder. So here we got it, updates. So let's just delete this folder. It was the folder I created when I have done the BIOS region repair. Let's do that again from the beginning. Let's extract the file and let's delete the RAR one. Let's open the folder. So here we have the BIOS region. So what to do with this file is to open it with the hex editor and to open on the dump too, and let's, in fact, we need to see if this file downloaded from internet is the BIOS region as a whole, or is there something which we have to delete, which I suspect from the beginning. These here, all this doesn't look like something that should be in a BIOS file. So we have to check with the using the dump file. So what to do is just we have to get the BIOS region of our dump simply by using, for example, the UEFI tool here, and we have the BIOS region here, and let's do a hex view. So as you can see here, the BIOS region starts by something like this. As you can see here, we have any here which refers to the microcontroller model. So we go back to our hex editor here, and we open the file downloaded from the internet, and we scroll down until something that looks like what we have seen in the UEFI tools appears, and here we got it. So if you see here we have something like what we have here in the hex view in the UEFI tool, which means that the BIOS region starts from here, and this should be deleted. So all this block should be deleted. So we just select it and we delete with our keyboard using the backward key like this, and let's save the file as BIOS region dot bin. Let's save it. So here we have our sorry, I have to do that again. File, save as, to check. In fact, I have saved it in another location, so let's just remove it from here. BIOS region, it's this. Let's just cut it and go back to desktop and go back to our folder here, and let's paste. So here we got it back to the right location. So let's close this. Here we got it. So it should be 6016 kilobyte, not 6018 kilobyte. So we also can use this tool to extract the BIOS region. So let's open it again, and here we expand this, and here we have this image which is in fact the BIOS region. Let's just extract as is, and here you see the name the tool gives to it is image UEFI image.room. Let's save it. Here we got it. Let's open it, and let's open the one which we have done manually. Here we have to close the dump, and we have here the one extracted by UEFI tool and the one extracted manually using the hex editor, and let's analyze the result. They are identical, so we have the right BIOS region. So what do we have now is simply replace it in the one of these dumps, replace the BIOS region of one of these dumps and do a clean me and program our BIOS, and we're done with the repair. So let's open, for example, let's close this, let's open the 01, why not, here, and we have the BIOS region should be replaced by the one we have downloaded from Asus support. So let's select here all files, and we have this file, open, and here if we save now the image file, the original BIOS region will be replaced by the official update one. So let's save image file and let's call it BIOS region changed or updated. That would be a perfect name, in fact. Let's save. So here the tool tells us if we need to open the reconstructed file. Let's just open it, why not, and let's check if there's no error or something weird with the file. It looks perfect, and here we have the file. So still we have to do a clean me of the file. Let's go to the folder, let's sorry, not this one, let's choose the file, so let's do this one, the BIOS region updated, open, and let's analyze the file. We have the Mi model production extracted consumer LP and power down mitigation no, set it to no. So we have to choose according to what we have here. We have to choose the file here, the right file here. So we say the production extracted consumer LP. There we have consumer LP and we have NPDM, which means power down mitigation, set it to no. This is the file which we need to choose, and if we check the size here, we have the same size as in here. So as we have the MIM model 11, we go and open the system tool version 11. So we already got the spare me here, the file, the me file, this one which we have chosen here. It was uploaded in our folder, and we need to rename it me region and replace the me region of the file which we are dealing with. But before doing that, we have to open the dump, the updated dump here. Let's open this one, BIOS region update. Let's open it, and we will get a folder here with the name of the file. This one, it has a decompression of our dump, and here we have the me region, which should be replaced by this one, spare me, after renaming this one. Before doing that, let's go here to build setting, and here let's set to no. Let's close. Let's go to protection. I always in fact check the boot guard, and so that's fine. It's set on 0, and let's save as whatever you want. Let's 1 2 3, why not? Let's save. We should get it here. It's this one, 1 2 3. Now we go to our folder. We rename the spare me, this one which we have chosen here. We got it uploaded here in the file, and let's rename it with the me region. Why me region? Because it has the same name in here, and this one should be replaced by this one. So let's move it to this folder, and after that open the folder, and let's move it finally to the decomp folder. So replaced. Go back to our tool. Let's open the 1 2 3 configuration file, and there, let's go back. So after building the image, we will get the out image here in the folder. So let's build the image, yes, and here we have our out image. That's it. We simply use the out image. We can check if it's configured, if the me region is configured, if the out image is configured, by opening it with our tool LBE, or you just drag it and drop it on me analyzer. So here we have configured, and we have exactly the same as in the dump. Same thing. That's it. Same model. Here configured, and here initialized. So that's it, and our BIOS is updated. And if we go back, sorry, let's close this. If we go back to our folder here, I have 2 photos here. So the original dump was this one here. So as we can see here, the photo is bad, in fact, but here we have the BIOS vendor. It's American Megatrends, and here we have the version which is 202. This was what was in the laptop from the beginning, and after BIOS repair we got the 303 version. So, and we have the other DME informations, which in fact I forgot to mention in this while doing the BIOS region repair. We also need in fact to transfer or to put the DME information of the dump file in the new one. So it's an easy thing to do. You just open the dump with this one. For example, you have a tool, so let's check here. Sorry, not this one. We have to use this other one. Let's check here with the hex view. So this other one. So here we have the DME. We have the, in fact, this is the serial number, and we have the other informations here. So what we need is simply, so here as you can see, we have the J3N0. Let's search for that in the dump. So let's go back to the tool. So here let's do a search, find, and let's write here what we have here. Let me do copy here if I can do that. Let's just select, Control C. Let's see if it works. Paste. So we have the hex value. Let's, okay, why? Because we haven't chosen the hex value tab here. Okay, we got it. So here we have the the serial number, and I have forgotten to mention that with the serial number, let's copy it, I didn't get any result. So here let's go to support, driver and manuals. So here we have or let's go to support. Here we have here, please describe your, let's go to download center. No, not download center again. I need where to put the serial number. Let's go to yes, and then so here we have the serial number. So if we paste it here, we only got that it's out of warranty, but nothing else, if I still remember. So let's wait. I don't know why it takes a lot of time. So meanwhile, let's go to our UEFI tool, and we need to extract this as is. Let's keep the default name, or you can name it DME, so that you know what it's about. Let's save in the same folder. Let's go back to our result here. So as you can see here, we have the, and if you pay attention here to the model, we got R516U but let's use that, copy let's use it in the drivers and manuals. So we have copied this model. Let's use it here. We got nothing, no result. So we got no result, as you can see here. If we take off the W, we got UX and UB. If we write again W, we got nothing. Let's go back to here. So here we have the model, and we have serial number, and we have warranty, out of warranty. So we choose, for example, driver BIOS and software. Here we choose driver download and setup, and we got, as you can see here, we got the support articles and nothing that helps to go directly to where to download the right file. If you go, for example, here, how to search and download drivers, utilities, BIOS and user manual, you will get just the help on how to search like this. So here we have manually or using the my Asus. Anyway, let's just go back to our work, and we have extracted the from the bin. If you pay attention here, we have 01, so it's the dump file, and we have extracted the second padding in the BIOS region, which contains the the DME info. So let's close this, and now let's open the one we have cleared right now, which is the out image, but we need to open it. Close this first. We need to open it with this version of UI5 tool, which is the version 0.28, which has the option of replacing the padding. So here let's replace as is, and we choose this one, the DME pad, which we have extracted from the dump. Open. So let's save image, and let's call it with out image or clear me, and DME. Let's save. Yes, let's open it. Nothing weird. That's fine. Let's open it with the MIS support tools here. So we say clear me and DME. Open, analyze, enter here. So still configured, so the me region hasn't been changed, even if we have injected the DME block in it, because in fact the me region, the BIOS, the me region, yes, the me region is outside the BIOS region, as you can see here. If we open, for example, the dump, you can see here that we have the descriptor region and the me region and the BIOS region, and the DME info are in the second padding of the BIOS region. So even if we change anything here, that won't influence our me region. So that's it, and I hope things are clear, and that's how the issue of this laptop is fixed. So the issue was that the installation issue. We didn't manage to install it. We got the blue screen, and In fact, that may be due to BIOS corruption or RAM issue, especially if we have an integrated one, which is the case with this laptop. But I was lucky with this one. The issue was just with the BIOS region, and it was fixed by repairing the BIOS. So I hope things are clear and nothing left. And sorry again for not doing the video with the laptop. In fact, I didn't manage to do that. I would like to do it with the laptop, but I didn't have enough time for that. And recording videos while I'm working, in fact, that disturbs me. I am not used to do that, and it takes a lot of time. And as you can see here in this same video, what I've done in this video, I will do it in less than 8 minutes. And the video here, I don't know how much time it takes till now, but let me check. It's 36 minutes. That's a lot for this kind of job. So see you in the next video, and I hope it will be sooner. And bye bye everybody.